Yafra semnimo. Asamna yafremwa. I'm telling you, Mr. Bitimito, Tamito, as you will be ashamed, come me drink commission on one. The moon say, a nipa yafra will mujidium in a beijing commission with. I'm telling you, it is oxymoronic or contradictory to scripture. And asamno krabwebura. Yeah, yamfra asemnimua be a kano, and ye may be on my intiminia dim, I would die. Intiminia dim out. Pass wa botre, and what we yet home may catch it. What person who say, wa botre pa, because ye don't know power no ye bass or no. Then your patience will be tested. Our husbands, where are you? 6 o'clock we are going to church. Where we 15 minutes ago. I feel now we hear it. And tomatoes we see anymore. Where we are. I feel now we hear it. Echo really brazier. Who are we? Kotanake. There we will check whether you are a man of patience or a man of the word or not. Yeah. How come? You know, you don't even have patience for just one woman. How can you love a God that you don't even know, you have not even seen before? You can't love this your one wife. You went to Kaja and make a man or man and how can you wear a jeans at night when pray or pray? A dear be a puma one a trousers more and needs to operate. One peer samana say, ya phrase anymore. Row plus. Come on! The Bible says, "Mamankasa mukuno." Ya phrase. Pierre, who phrase anymore? For Russia. And yet last week in Kwana your boy Juma. Last week. Sister, last week. A week is 7 days.